Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your volume keeps resetting automatically on your Windows computer. So it doesn't matter what you set your volume level to. You notice that every time your computer restarts or in seemingly random intervals, the volume gets set back to a default, seemingly predetermined level. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in control panel. Best match should go back with control panel. So go ahead and open that up. Sort your view by large icons, and then you want to select the sound. Under the playback tab, right click on your speaker output device, and it should be a little green check mark indicating what your default speaker is. If you're unsure, you can also right click on it and test it too to make sure if you have multiple speakers connected to your computer, which one you're actually modifying the settings to. So go ahead and right click on it, and you want to make sure it's actually set as default, the correct one. If you're incorrectly using the wrong speaker, that could be causing this problem as well. But regardless, go ahead and right click on your speaker output device and select properties. You want to select the enhancements tab and check where it says disable all enhancements, and then select apply and OK. And then select the communications tab and select where it says do nothing and select apply and OK. And now you want to close out of here and restart your computer. And one final adjustment you might want to make is going back into the search menu, back into the control panel, I should say, and open that up. Again, view by large icons, and then go back to sound. Select the recording tab now, and then your microphone device, just go ahead and left click on that, and then select properties, or you can right click and select properties, doesn't really matter. And go to the advanced tab now, and where it says allow applications to take exclusive control of this device, you want to go ahead and uncheck that option and then select apply and OK. And then hopefully that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.